Exercise 35. Identifying animals. 1. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. 2. A chameleon can change its color to blend in with its surroundings. 3. Australia is known for its unique animal, the kangaroo. 4. The panda is a black and white bear native to China. 5. Dogs are often kept as pets and are known for their loyalty. 6. A camel is known for its hump and ability to survive in the desert. 7. In many fairy tales, the princess kisses a frog to find her prince. Exercise 36. Describing animals. 1. Elephants are known for their long trunks. 2. The feathers on a peacock are colorful and beautiful. 3. A mouse is a small, furry animal that loves to eat cheese. 4. The kangaroo carries its baby in its pouch. 5. A giraffe has a long neck and usually lives in a zoo. 6. Sharks are fearsome creatures that live in the ocean. 7. The fur of a polar bear is white, which helps it survive in cold climates. Exercise 37. Elements of nature. 1. The sun in the sky gives us light and heat. 2. We go to the beach to swim in the ocean. 3. Plants need water and sunlight to grow. 4. We must take care of our planet by not cutting down too many trees. 5. In the fall, leaves change color and fall from the trees. 6. Birds usually build their nests in trees. 7. A volcanic eruption can be very destructive.